Hello, do you know an addition number bond for the number 14? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So 14, okay, and the addition number bonds look like this. So what numbers added together equal 14? So you could go 10 plus 4, that's one way, because I know that equals 14. So that's a great one. What about 9 plus 5? Does that equal 14? Let's try. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, it does. So that's another pair that you could use. But what about this one? 11 plus 5. Does that equal 14? Let's try. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh no, it's too big, so you can't use that one. Okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!